Hello YouTube. This is Mark Woods with another video. Yeah, we had to, stop by, stop by, install and start installing on somebody else's car. That's what basically went on all last summer. But this time I tell you guys about it. But we're hooking up a 4,000 watt Planet Audio 4000.1D. And we also got two of these, the BBD3s. We never heard of these though, y'all. These like probably new. They're probably new. Got a nice surround on them. And roughing up, we're waiting on the other one to come. We already figured out how to get the ground wire. And let's go to this right now. We're gonna slow move it on this one because a lot of people that explain this through the video, I can explain it real quick. So y'all see the 0 gauge wire where it's coming through at. So what's going on right here, I might let this be like a 1 minute video. What's going on right here is you see that little grommet right there? You're gonna have to pull that grommet way out. Pull it way out. And then right now, I don't have the glove compartment on there. But you gotta pull the glove compartment out. And in order to pull it out, it's like a screw. That's like right here. It's gonna be hard to see. It's gonna be very, very hard to see. But you pull that out, and you'll have access to back here, and you'll be able to see now. I was able to run the remote and the power wire. So also, when you're trying to hook up the remote, you want to run it. You can run it off fuse 10. And we're in the middle of this installation, by the way. We ain't even nowhere near done. I got the radio out. We're gonna run like a LC3. And right now they're just getting the speaker wire connections for it. Shoot, all right. Trying to figure out, I might drill that in. I don't know what I did with the cover for it. I had one before. But everything will be all right. We keeping things going. So, all right. I'll be back to update you guys. We might have a demo coming up. And I will be back to give you guys a little nice little rundown of this amp. And I can run down that speaker too a little bit later. All right. I hope you all enjoyed the video. And if you do, smash that like button. If you're new and love car audio, please consider subscribing. This is Mark Woods. I'm out.